My name's Richard Wakefield. I'm the IT and Technical Services Manager for Bedruthan Hotel and Spa Hotels. My family owns the group and I've worked at these hotels for 33 years.
I'm Matthew from ZLC Energy. I'm the Managing Director. ZLC Energy are renewable energy installers. We focus on providing renewable energy solutions to businesses across the southwest. Here at Bedruthan we installed a 90 kilowatt solar PV array back in November 2016. We decided that an east-west facing installation was actually going to be more beneficial to the site here. The east-west array allows for power to be generated from earlier in the morning, which much better suits the energy demands of a busy hotel like this.
Both our hotels, the Scala and the Bedruthan, are renowned worldwide as sustainable businesses. It's all very important to us to invest in low energy technologies. We also very much want to promote the electric car. We have 9 car charging points now.
The installation also took place whilst the hotel was active, so we had to be very particular about keeping the noise to a minimum and ensuring that our installation didn't disturb the guests in any way.
The business benefits are, as predicted, in fact slightly better. We have generated nearly 200,000 kilowatts of electricity, which has saved us over £21,000 in our electricity bills. The payback is going to be probably under 6 years on a £90,000 investment. We calculate we will have close to £300,000 extra, which we wouldn't have received if we hadn't installed the solar panels. It was a no-brainer to install the panels at the time we did, and ZLC gave us a very good service, and it's continuing, which is great, because sometimes people install equipment and then they disappear, but it looks like ZLC are here to stay. We want companies that are sustainable, that are going to be around for a long time, like we have been.